Alright, we got a 96 Impala SS. Got it jacked up. Changed the oil real quick. It's only ran Mobil 1 its whole life. Synthetic. AC Delco part number is PF52E. It's a LT1. It is a 15 millimeter on the drain plug. And then the oil filter in the back. Here's a rubber gasket you have to change every time. I have to go grab one real quick. So there's your little new O-ring. This one we took out. See, it's flat, draining up the threads. This is another one we have. If it's a 15, then I have a spare, which it is. I believe the Yukon's different. The one that's different with this one is it has a magnet on it. I believe the thread is the same, so we'll use this one. You have a little pick, you can pop it up. Ow. And then we'll try to take this one off. And spin it off because it gets heated up and wraps right around that base of the threads, and even up into the first thread. there you go. Just clean that one out. This is the magnetic one. And there's your new gasket. Let's see if I can see the part number on this one. Yeah, it's there. It's 506-8451. I'm not sure about that 8. But all we do is put it down, and now you can see how it'll stick up a little higher, because it hasn't been smashed down. And then there's that OG one. But all the screws in, we should be good. Looks legit. It doesn't need to be gorilla tight, just really snug. Next is the filter. Let's see, wrong way. These one's pretty good with the angle. You can snug them up if you can't get your hand on it. Usually it's just hand tight. So we'll give her a spin or two so she can come on and drain. And I'll grab the new filter. Give that one a second to drain and finish dripping. Get this new one out. I always want to lube up that gasket. I got enough on my gloves. You just don't want it to go dry to the surface and stick, and then you'll get a double gasketing and an instant leak normally. So that one's out. We'll go ahead and run a rag around this old one on the block. That also ensures that there's not another gasket. I'll just put it on hand tight. It does have a space so you can write like when you change the oil. There's a tag on it. Let's see, this one should have it too. Well, at least that one did, but this one just tells you when it's low. I mean, when it's time to change. Snug it up. That's pretty good. And that's your change. Get your oil in the engine, start it up, make sure you got oil pressure, check under here, make sure it's not leaking, and that's it, you're done. 96 Impala SS LT1, same as Caprice with the LT1, same as the Roadmaster with the LT1. Like and subscribe.